Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to open our contact list, and let's do it with the usage of the dialer. Let's tap on it and tap on the contacts. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and let me pick, for example, this one. It does not really matter. And then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. Alright, let me fastly remove the photo. So as you can see, this is what you will see after entering the contact. Let's tap on this camera icon in the circle, and right now we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Of course, we have to decide where we want to complete the section, so let me pick maybe the gallery. That's okay. Let's find the photo and tap on it. And here from this step we can change the size of this highlighted square. We cannot unfortunately zoom in or out the photo, but that's okay. We can also change the position of the square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So after framing the photo, simply tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner to confirm, and as you can see, the photo has been applied to this circle. So if you're really happy with the results, just tap on save in the right upper corner again. And as you can see, we've got this information that the contact has been saved. This is how it will look like. You will be able to see it on the contact list, for example, and during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.